Take a look at your screen. We know the holidays and baking go hand in hand. The images might make you a little hungry this Wednesday morning. And of course, we know, is there anything better than the smell of bread, cookies, cakes, or pies coming out of the oven? There probably isn't. Joining us live this morning to further discuss on this Thanksgiving Eve is Maria Baradell, expert on home baking. Good morning to you, Maria. Thank you so much for being here.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for having me.
So a lot we want to share in real time as it relates to the holidays and cooking and baking. I know some people might choose to have a holiday dinner at a restaurant, but eating at home, cooking with the family, it really is top tier. Could you set the stage for us?
Yes, absolutely. Well, you know how your mom used to say, hey, wait, we have food at home? Well, same thing with baking. I just tell my kids, wait, sweetie, we have bread at home because bread is perfect for breakfast toast or for sandwiches, easy dinners and lunches. So baking at home allows me to have just easy meals for my family at home.
Yeah, it makes perfect sense. And for some people, Maria, let's be honest, everyone isn't a baker and a chef like yourself. Sometimes that Thanksgiving menu, when you know what all of the guests want, if you can't cook, it might be overwhelming. Are there any tips you can share? Maybe there's a viewer out there watching and this is her or his first time hosting a Thanksgiving dinner and they want to get it right.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I believe that anyone can be a baker. I actually started baking sourdough in January of last year, and just by practicing, I became really good at it. But actually, it's really easy if you. There are many recipes out there that are just a few simple steps, and I think that that's what you should try to do instead of trying to make these recipes that are like super long and super complicated. Of course, try to get some people to help, the kids to help, and try to get people to also bring their own dishes, etc. I think that will help.
Yeah, so you're saying make it kind of like a potluck. Don't overwhelm
Yeah.
yourself.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Okay, and
Yeah.
then as far as your Thanksgiving menu, I know some people start the night before. They want to marinate certain items and get them prepared. What does that look like for you? And then if you don't mind sharing your Thanksgiving lineup menu for the viewers.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be having green beans, and we like to steam those and have them with almonds and a lemon marinade. And then we also like to have mashed potatoes, of course, and rolls. I have to make the rolls. I like to make two versions, the plain one and also some that are stuffed with cheese. And they are going to be sourdough, so they are gut healthy. And I also like to make I'm trying to think, I'm blanking out. So we like to have steak and also turkey, and we like to have mac and cheese as well. That I have my teenage son make that one for us.
Okay. Well, look, I would tell you, Maria, my mouth started watering as you were saying all of those delicious foods. I might have to invite myself over to grab a plate.
Yeah.
Sounds very good. And then I know you mentioned one of the items was good for gut health. So you can definitely have a long lineup of Thanksgiving dishes and still have kind of a healthy meal, you know, one that won't automatically put you to sleep. I know many people eat and then they have the itis after they eat all of that food, but you can still do so in a healthy way. Maria, truly a pleasure having you on the show. Is there anything you'd like to add before we let you go?
Yes, I love on my platform teaching bakers and just anyone how to make sourdough and how to turn their homes into a home bakery, especially a sourdough bakery, so the items are gut healthy and gut friendly. And I think that you can start with what you have, but you can also find everything that you have to create, make your home into a home bakery really affordably on platforms like online platforms like Timo, for example, or even at the dollar store. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to turn your home into a home bakery and start from there.
Great tips on this Thanksgiving Eve. Maria, a pleasure having you join us here on Live Now from Fox bright and early. I won't be speaking with you on Thanksgiving, so happy pre-Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving Eve to you and your loved ones. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving to you too.
Thank
Thank you for
you.
having me.
Thank you so much.